Hi, Nicole Edlin here. I'm going to teach you about Wonderopolis.org. Wonderopolis is a website and can be accessed on any browser with Wi-Fi. It will work on Google Chrome, Safari, and Windows. So you would just pull up your browser and in the URL search you would type in Wonderopolis.org. So Wonderopolis is a website that poses an intriguing question of the day, and it also follows the question up with facts and information as well as activities to explore further with the question. The homepage comes up like this. There is usually a pop-up that asks for you to subscribe to their daily email, which you would receive the daily question to your email. And I have already signed up for that, so I'm wondering if that's why it didn't pop up. But it's just easy. You would just type in your email, and then you would be subscribed. So you would log on, and you see the question of the day here. You can click, and it's going to take you to the question page. And a great feature is there's a listening option for our non-readers. You can also print it if you'd like to have your kiddos read it individually, paper copy. There's also a comment section, which I think is really cool. So you can join the discussion and you can collaborate and explore further and learn with other students in classrooms around the world. So it gives some driving questions here that follow along with the wonder question, and then there's videos like National Geographic here, and then all of the facts and information about the wonder of the day listed below. Cool thing is your standards are also listed here, so you can connect that to your lesson plans and such. Also down here where it says try it out, this is going to be your extension activities that kiddos can then take the wonder and go further with it and even maybe do some things at home. I'm going to scroll back up here. You may also go to the Explore Wonders tab, and here if you'd like to type in a specific topic, like maybe I want to learn about spiders, I can go back and review all of the wonders that are done on spiders, which is really cool. So kiddos can get on here and search topics of their interest. Also up here at the top, there's a What Are You Wondering page. And under this, if there is a wonder that you're wondering, you can type it in here and add it to the list. And it goes right down here to the bottom. You would then have people voting on your wonder to see if it can get researched and posted on Wonderopolis. And you can also help other people's wonders get voted on as well, which I think is really cool. So if I'm going to go back to the Explore Wonders page, I really like this feature. I think that this could be easily worked into morning meeting discussions as writing prompts. Students could search a question to research a topic of their interest. I also think that this could definitely fit into our project-based learning and definitely use some of those extension activities in project-based learning. This all fits under Bloom's levels 4, 5, and 6 because you're analyzing information, visualizing, composing, and you're comparing your opinion to other people's with the collaboration part, and also the A&M on the SAMR scale. You can follow them on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Another cool feature is down here, I'm going to go back to the home page. Down here at the bottom, there is an option to add a widget, so it'll give you a kind of like a link where you can insert that into maybe your teacher website or newsletters that go home to parents where they can also join in on the wonder of the day, which I think is really cool. Camp Wonderopolis is another tab at the top, so these are free online summer learnings that kiddos can sign up, and you can, it just kind of goes like this one's about music and then construction. There's all different types of topics maybe your kiddos has a specific interest in. Parents can sign them up for that. And then Wonders with Charlie is also another feature on the website. So these are videos, and this is Charlie. And he seems to be kind of maybe the Wonderopolis character for lack of a better term. And there's all different kinds of videos with Wonders with Charlie. So these are kind of extension ones, and I feel like these are kind of maybe more primary friendly videos, but still very informative. So this is Wonderopolis. I hope you guys enjoy it. I surely do. I kind of compared it when I'm looking through it to Mystery Doug, which is also another very similar question of, he does questions of the week. But I am really excited about using this and its features for my classroom. Thanks for listening.